Hey guys, what's cooking? We just got some really exciting news. We got our first piece of fan mail. It's addressed to Cooking with Cal. Let's see what it says, Cal. Dear Cooking with Cal. Hey Calvin, it's Uncle Midge. I love your cooking show and I need your help. Today is my birthday and I got 24 eggs. I'm very excited. But I have no idea what to make with them. Can you help me, Cal? Love, Uncle Midge. P.S. Your dad is really cool. Well, thanks, Uncle Midge, and happy birthday. I'm glad you like the show. You happen to be in luck. Calvin just got a new recipe book, and it's all about eggs. Breakfast by Ham and Eggs. We've been working on the omelet recipe. I think we're ready to give it a try.
Please don't tell this joke.
But you know what they say. You can't make an omelet without cracking a few eggs. Alright, we've got all our ingredients ready. We've got our 10-inch skillet. And this one measures 9.5 inches, but I think it'll work. And then Calvin likes really thick omelets that don't fall apart when you grab them by the hand, so we're going to use 3 eggs. You can change the amount of eggs or the size of your skillet to change how thick or thin your omelet's going to be. Some people use milk in their omelet to make it a little fluffier, but Uncle Midge didn't say that she got any milk for her birthday, so we're just going to stick to the eggs. We are going to throw some cheese in there because Calvin loves cheese in his omelet.
I love cheese on anything.
Let's preheat our skillet to a low to medium heat. Put a bit of butter in the pan to help keep the eggs from sticking. While the pan's getting hot and the butter's heating up, let's go ahead and beat the eggs. You can throw in some salt or pepper if you want. I like to add red pepper flakes, but Calvin can be a bit of a baby when it comes to the hot stuff. Once the skillet is hot and the eggs are pretty well mixed, let's pour the eggs in. Now here's a little trick we learned from Hammond's book. Once the bottom of the eggs start to cook and set up, drag the edges toward the center. The uncooked eggs should fill in the space created. Don't wait too long or the eggs on the bottom will tear and the egg on top won't fill up the space. This creates more volume and gives your omelet a better mouthfeel. I heard that on a real cooking show. Once the edges of the egg are all the way cooked, and the center is almost all the way cooked, or it may be wet but it doesn't jiggle, it's time to add our filling. Like I said, Calvin loves cheese, but you can add anything you want. Pickles, ham, bacon, even pineapple might be good. Once we put in our filling, it's time to fold it in half. Now we're going to let it sit for another minute or so that all that cheese melts and the rest of the eggs finishes cooking. And there you have it, Uncle Midge. That's how we make an omelet.
Oh, Dad, that looks good.
Well, Cal, is it everything it's cracked up to be?
This is excellent. Extraordinary mouthfeel.
You ready to go? Let's do it. You gotta look at the camera. Look at the camera. There you go. I didn't crack it. We've been working on the omelet recipe.
And I think we're ready to share.
I'm about tired of this. Hey Calvin, it's Uncle Midge. I love your cooking show and I need your help.